good, you guys? It's your girl, it's your fave, Jst Dej, and I am back with another video today, you guys. Okay, so as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to show y'all a DIY of another room that I did. Make sure that y'all check out my DIY video for my makeup room. I'll be sure to leave that in the links in the description box below so that y'all can check that out. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing y'all how my mother, who just so happens to be an interior decorator, redid her room, you guys. So this is going to be basically the after. Okay, so all the footage that you've seen prior to this, I don't know if I'm gonna put it before this video or after, just put it all together, but I haven't decided. Anyways, you guys, make sure that y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video so that y'all can see the outcome, y'all, because this room is now my favorite room in the house. It's so bomb and y'all gonna get the vibes. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. What's your plans for the room? Like, show me. I want to know what's your plans for the room.
Okay, well, first off, we're going to take up the bed. We're going to shampoo it, and then we are going to move. This is going out. It's going to move that out.
The whole TV stand?
The whole TV, the TV stand, that's going to go into the spare bedroom. All the purple is going. All purple has to go.
Okay.
And then this is going.
This whole dresser?
All that, yep, that has to go.
Okay.
And then I'm going to we're going to install a new TV on this wall, 65-inch, and then we're also installing a fireplace.
Okay.
And yeah. So
what about for the walls? Are you gonna put something on the walls?
I have
in these spaces.
Some new paintings that I'm gonna put on the wall, and I'm probably gonna have like a small chest right here, and I might put my full-length body mirror on this wall. But
the one that's in your closet or a new one?
The one that's in my closet.
Okay.
So
nice.
I'm not 100% sure yet, but and we're gonna shampoo the carpet, and we're gonna get a new ottoman. Yeah, he's shaking his head because he's gonna be the one busy. He thinks I'm gonna be working all week while he sit on his ass and do shit. Not gonna happen. His ass will be decorating this room.
Okay, you guys, so this is my mom, like I told you, the interior decorator herself, and she is going to take us around her new creation, her new room, and she's going to tell y'all what inspired her, why she loves interior decorating, and pretty much where she got all this bomb stuff, y'all. Okay, where do you want to start, Mom?
So do you want me to start with what inspired me to
yes, you should.
Interior decorating? Well, I've always had a passion for home, so I think that is probably what led me into being an interior decorator, because I spent a lot of time at home, and when you're at home you want to make it nice and cozy and warm, a place that you just want to hurry up and get to.
You want all the vibes,
all that.
Facts.
You know, plus it has to be sexy. You know, so you can get your but anyway. That's what inspired me. I love interior decorating. I'm currently working on launching a business, and you know, those kind of things. But we'll show you around, and you guys tell us what you think. Rate it, like it, comment, and subscribe.
Ooh, kill 'em.
Hey.
Okay,
I put on for my baby. I put on for my baby.
God.
Hey, I put on. No.
And I'm gonna tell them that she under the influence of this video. She feeling herself. She having a good time, y'all. Her room is what she wanted it to be. So you know.
So let's start.
Yep.
Okay. First, I will point to some of my favorite pieces in the room.
Okay.
Black is one of my favorite colors when it comes to decorating. Very, very dark, but it's also very, very warm. And I love black art. Anything black to throw in the mix is a plus. So I really absolutely love black. So I have
that piece is bomb. I love it.
Yes, it's just see, she's just chilling.
Bowling.
You see, she's just chilling.
Yes, that piece is bomb.
This piece from At Home. I don't know if they have At Homes in other states around the world or whatever, but they have one in Minnesota, so that's where I go to get a lot of my pieces, and I got this particular piece from there.
Love it.
This one.
And she has these on each side too. We all about the matching. We all about the matching. So it's another one over there.
And one of my other favorite things are paintings. I love paintings, especially Afrocentric, black, anything black. Okay,
Facts.
Black Lives Matter. Anyway, and then I have this painting I got. I'm sorry, excuse me, y'all. I got this one off of Amazon, and you know, just kind of the peach blush colors that kind of just, you know, mix everything together. Those I think I got from I want to say Home Goods, which is like TJ Maxx. All the coverings, the beds, the curtains, bedding, that stuff came from Amazon as well. And then I love, as I said, black art.
Yes, it's so pretty.
I love, she looks like she's just thinking what her next move, what her next boss ass, queen ass move is gonna be.
Period.
And I think I got these from At Home, same store.
Okay.
Again, black art.
Of course.
Love it.
It's beautiful. I love your little books. And the candle, it just sets the mood. It's bomb over here. And these candles are so bomb, you guys. She put me onto these. She put these in my living room too. Y'all will see that in my house tour.
So another favorite piece added to the room, my fireplace. It gives a very warm and sexy, loving, warm feeling to the room. And you can set it on 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, I think up to 6 hours. And it changes about maybe 4 or 5 different colors. I can't remember.
Love it.
The flames can go up or down or what have you.
Love it. Can you show us how the colors change?
Oh yeah, sure. We keep our little gadgets in here.
Okay.
So let me see.
Always ready.
Oh, there we go.
Love.
Yes.
Can we hit the light on them one time? Can we hit the light one time and show them?
And then use this to turn the light off. There we go.
Love.
Yeah. Whoops, I hit the wrong button. Is it this one?
So
wait,
pretty.
No, I'm taking the hours now. Wait a minute, you guys. Uh-oh. There we go.
Love. That is
yeah,
so pretty.
The other color. Yeah, see, 1, 2, 3.
Love that.
1, 2, and then 3.
Love that.
Going back to blue. Yeah. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool.
Yes, love that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can hit the light again. I'm obviously gonna crop the parts out where I'm talking out, but.
And hit the switch.
Okay. And I don't know if I can catch this on camera. The chandelier is gorgeous. She changed out the chandelier. I don't know if y'all seen it on the first part of the vlog. You probably can't see it too clear right here. Here, let me see. There we go. Look at this chandelier, you guys. So beautiful. Come look, Mom. Look, I had to turn the darkness all the way down. So pretty.
Oh yeah.
Yes, you guys. So this is the chandelier, and it's awesome. It looks so good, and I think it's a bomb addition to the room too. Okay. So is that all that you want to show us for your room?
Yeah, that should do it. I don't know if
okay.
Oh no, last piece.
Last piece?
Yep.
Oh, the bed. Okay. In the ottoman.
Gotta tell what's the favorite part is my bed.
Yes.
Ready?
Yep. Go ahead.
And I saved the best for last. My favorite part in the room is my bed. Absolutely love my bed. I always wanted a tufted roll back. What style is that? I have to look that up. I'm drawing a blank, you guys.
You got it. You got it.
So don't y'all worry about it.
She been sipping and smoking, y'all. Sipping and smoking.
Don't listen to her. Anyway, my favorite part is my bed. The bottom part of it rolls. It has the studs on the outside, and then the matching ottoman. Well, not matching, but I just kind of match them together. And I got the ottoman again off of Amazon. Oh, and it opens too?
Okay, you guys, so in addition to redoing her room, my mom actually did her bathroom too, and y'all already know she matchy, okay? So we ended up, or she ended up actually doing her bathroom as well. So that's where we're gonna head next. I'm not sure if I put that in the other video before this when I was showing y'all how she was redoing everything, but if I didn't, y'all will be the first to see that she actually redid her bathroom as well as her room. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the first look into what her new bathroom looks like. Okay, do you want to show us your bathroom?
Yes, come on in.
Okay.
Come on in.
Okay.
Ah, this is a very, very comfy place. It's huge. There's a lot of room. Sometimes I'm taking a bubble bath. My husband will be sitting over here and we'll be talking, having a glass of wine, got some music playing, got the candles over there going, you know, the bath balls, all that.
Yeah.
But yeah, so again, I like to.
What's S&D?
S&D. S is for your dad, Miami. First name. I don't know if I want to tell it. Oh, that's a mosquito in here. Oh my gosh. It's S is for his first name. D.
Darn.
Is for Darnett.
Okay.
Fun. So yeah.
That's so nice. And y'all have the jacuzzi in here.
Yes.
You also have some candles on the side. That's so pretty. I bet that's so common. They even got the jets in here, y'all, so y'all know it'll be lit.
Fat.
What is that?
Oh, this cute little thing. This is a tissue holder.
Oh, what? That's lit.
Yes.
That's really cute.
And we need to refill. I need about 3 more rolls in there.
Super cute.
Your dad usually fills it. But yeah. And that I got from Home Goods, quote unquote, Marshall's, TJ Maxx. So.
Okay. Y'all already know. The best places to go for real. And this is cute. This little picture says it's time to relax. That's nice. Oh, you even got a new clock. I didn't notice. Yeah. I love that.
And I wanted the colors to match my bath.
And this says, you are the bubbles to my bath. Dope. Love that.
What?
This is so nice.
This is, you like, what is this?
I don't know what it is. I waited you to tell me. I have no idea.
It's just decoration.
Okay.
You know, the little balls, like how I did your living room.
Yes, yes, y'all.
Yeah,
that's really nice. I love
little decorative to bring.
Bless our nest.
Help with the bring a little color.
You match your color scheme.
Yes.
It's super nice. It's beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, let's head back into your room, and we'll do our final little run through and just show y'all that this is what the room looks like. That's the closet over there. We're not gonna open it because y'all nosy, but we're not gonna open that. Oh, you forgot your little mini fridge and stuff. I'm so glad I never have to go downstairs when I come over here. I can just grab a water from out of here. So they got their little mini fridge and everything. And yeah, this is the room, you guys. Okay, y'all, so I actually didn't plan on doing the rest of this house tour, this DIY like makeover and all that stuff. I didn't plan on doing it. Bye, Dad. I did not plan on doing it, but because I'm here, I might as well. So this is the living room, you guys. This is what the living room looks like, and I just wanted to put some more of her work out there. But this is all her doing, you guys. She really does this. Like, the decorations in my house were definitely more than half her input. So I just wanted to show y'all the rest of this. And this whole wall, you guys, I don't know if you know, but you do know now, my last name is Randall, and my mom actually created this entire wall herself. So she spray painted these picture frames, and she spray painted these letters and everything, and put the vinyl up there and everything herself, you guys. So it is so bomb, and it's amazing. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and show y'all the rest of the house here, and this is the first one. And this bathroom kind of has like a little kind of like sea thing, you know what I mean? And she also did all of this on her own. And I just love the way she decorates, because to me, it just doesn't, it's not a lot, but you can definitely tell that it's popping around here, you know what I mean? So this is the first bathroom. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and hit upstairs. I'm just gonna show y'all the loft. So this is what it looks like as I'm going up the stairs. Again, all of this is my mom's doing, so make sure you check out her interior decorating page, you guys. She shouted out her business name on this video, so make sure y'all check it out. I'm gonna put her up a Facebook page, and I'll make sure that I link that. Okay, you guys, so this is the loft. My mom is very big on pictures, so she has all of our pictures up here. Okay, we have the couch and everything. And of course, more of her beautiful pieces that she's picked out of these stores. Okay, there is the, oh no, the TV and everything, the fireplace, all of that. And this is her little workstation. Laundry room is over there, but y'all don't need to see that. I actually missed a piece. There's another piece up there. And a couple pieces in the hallway leading to the room that I showed you guys at first. So, there is a second bedroom in the house, but that is my, that's their guest room, and they kind of putting their stuff in there. There is another room in the house, but that is the guest room. They're putting their stuff in there because they are getting ready to move. So I'm sure there'll be another house tour very, very, very soon. Okay, you guys, so that is going to be the final end of the video now. I didn't expect to do the rest of the house, but I just had to show y'all, okay? So make sure that y'all follow my mom, her business page. I'll be sure to link that below. And yeah, you guys, anything you want to say, Mom?
Just thank you, YouTube, for letting me show you my creations. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff.
All right, y'all, thanks so much for watching this video. We on the road to 10K, and I cannot wait to show y'all what the rest of the stuff that we have planned. But until next time, you guys, peace.